Yeah. Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.
Yo, what's happening, everyone? What's up? What's up? What's going on? What is up? Need some tunes up in here. Get some tunes. What is up? Lay in the house, Corey 2S, Ichimoku, Zero, Real Robot, Brian. Let's go. Team Massive, Rage GT. Lil Marie, what is going on? Thank you so much, Little Marie. Yeah, I dig that tune too. I actually sing it while while I'm getting ready. Silver in the house. Oh, wow, we came off the highs. 100 points dropped. I actually didn't even notice this. Or almost 100 points. Yeah, what? Oh, man, 28,800 as the MNQ high. What's the NQ? Oh, wow. Big fat whole number right there. 28,800 as the all-time high. Eee. Michelle in the house. Echo Trader. DJ and Rob, what's going on? Trader 007. JLB, Kato, Jack Boom, Moto Timo. Do you think you're going to close the gap right away, Mr. Pine? I'm trying not to think. It's just so crazy. I just try not to think at all. It's absolutely nuts. This all-time highs. It's got me flustered. You guys know I kind of went tilted yesterday, last night. Today was actually a pretty decent day. You know, I recovered a bit. Got a nice daily payout on the Trade Day Live accounts. So, my first day trading Trade Day Live. Let's pull that up. Trade of 8. So first day trading live. Oops, I got the can I be honest with you guys? So I had to trade a different account when I was on My Funded Futures, so let me take off this here. Take off that privacy mode. So here's the live account with Trade Day. I had my first day on it, made $600. $606. So my very first trade day live trade, and I will take a payout. So here's what I have to do. I have to email them. It's a special email. So I just email them and how much I want to take out and all that good stuff. So yeah, nice little daily payout. So still the same rules, right? It's just in a live account, and you can take daily payouts from it. Still, let me get caught back up in the chat here. We've got a few more minutes. Michelle, Echo Trader, DGen Rob, Trader 007, Kato. What's up, Jack Boom? I think I read that already. Chris Hoy, Silva, D. Mitch, Joseph, Lil Marie, Echo Trader, Big Gap Down. Kind of crazy. 8 straight green days in a row. Nice, Rage GT. It's down big. All right. Well, hopefully. Jeannie in the house. How'd you do, Jeannie? Did you finish off that My Funded Future strong today? Jip Smith. Do we need to make money for the buffer? No, I think I can just withdraw. It's basically $100. They leave $100 left. No, if it's below $500, yeah, if it's below $500, I believe I can withdraw, or I can't withdraw. So if this whole account gets down to below that 5,000, because I have $6,200 in drawdown. Yeah, that makes sense, right? 6,200 in drawdown, so it's 500 is the max drawdown, I believe. It's a little confusing. I did email them because I was a little confused, but as I trade it, I'll let you guys know. Hopefully I keep it around a little bit. Right now, it's my only real funded account. I mean, one that actually matters. So, Jip Smith in the house. Tony Gold, Just Jeremiah, Trader Mo's, Lassifer, what's going on? Good to see you. Trades by Neo. Yeah, we will do some giveaways tonight. Jip Smith, I'm going to trade. Oh, okay. Genie, yeah, that's all right. It's okay. I've been there. I was there last night. Same deal. It's all good. Easy to do in this market. Ichimoku, yo, Pine, what's this account? Oh yeah, this is Trade Day live account that I'm trading. So I took three trade day funded accounts, ended days, 50Ks, kept getting payouts, 250, 250, 250 on each one of them. And I just kept milking them, and then eventually they moved me into a live account with the drawdown, so $6,100 in drawdown from the 3 trade day accounts. Pretty sweet. They moved it all into one. They said 45-point drop, tweet, and then nothing coming to deal with. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right. Puro in the house. Oh, it's all right. Yeah, I know. Been there, Genie. So can you trade normal size? Yeah, I can trade up to 4 minis. 4 minis. And oh, market's open. Gap down. So you might notice something on this trade day. No Nasdaq. I have not bought Nasdaq data yet. I've only bought YM data. So I only traded YM on this account today. I just felt like after being tilty yesterday that I didn't need Nasdaq in my life on the live funded account today. So will I eventually get it? Maybe. I don't know. I haven't decided. But just trying to be patient, taking my time with it. It's been a while since I've had a live account with a prop firm, so I'm trying not to blow it, right? Blow it on day one. So nice little gap down here, finally. Like, how many can you trade? 50 micros? I think I could trade like 40 micros. I think. This market's insane. Just ain't right. Well, it just ain't right. Tamara in the house. What's going on, Tamara? Steve-O. Johan. Nasdaq needs me. Nao, yeah, I know. It does need me. I mean, I will be trading. I'll be trading this account here. One of these builders. Take off the privacy mode. I had a privacy mode because I was I had to trade a different account because I had too many My Funded Future accounts. I had too many evals going. Yeah, I'm telling you, I was a little tilty. Was it a 50K or a 150K? It was 3 50Ks. Yeah, if you guys are interested in trade day, Pine with a capital P, keep in mind they will move you to live pretty quickly. I do like the fact there's some pretty good things with trade day live. Let me read a few. We're getting that push back up here. Yeah, $120 per data. You got to pay the professional data fees, something like that. Let me see if I can show you the email. Oh, so it is kind of cool. Like with trade day, the profit splits, it is 80-20, right? For the 50,000, for the first 50,000 of profits. And then it goes to 90-10 after 50K. And then after 100K, it goes to 95%. It'll be a while before I get that. So over 100K, it goes to only 5%. Not expecting to do that anytime soon, but you never know. Got to manifest. Manifest. Let's see here. Orlando taking 2,400 from TPT, my largest single payout. Whoa, let's go. 2,400 bucks. Smash the confetti for Orlando. That's a nice payout. 2,400 bucks. So with that being said, if I had to pick between take profit trader and trade day, I'm still picking take profit trader. As far as daily payout accounts go, is you get moved to live. It's nice, right? But you get moved to live with one account. With Take Profit Trader, you get moved to live with all 5 accounts, which is a bonus that you can use to your advantage, you know. But yeah. So anyways, Let's do the old, let's start firing up the giveaway. Clam chowder and lobster dinner for Let's go, Steve-O. Lobster cakes for dinner. This market's a sack of asses. I'm already planning to stay away until Friday. Kind of don't blame you. Puro in the house. I gotta get caught up in the chat here. What's up, Cranston White? Glenn, Jesus. I'm gonna trade. Coach Fred, Pine with a capital P. That's right. Thank you. Hey, what's up, Kid Poker? The legend, Kid Poker. What's going on, man? Long time no see. Only goes up. Yes. Only goes up. It's just... Market was stupid today. Just that... Just nuts. Yeah. NQ dipped to yesterday's one standard deviation from the VWAP, Dan. Yeah, let's take a look at the daily chart and the hourly. It's just kind of comical to look at. Look at this rip. We love it. We love it if you're long-term invested. But man, just crazy. And what's the catalyst to really bring it down? I mean, what's going to be the catalyst? I mean, I think when it comes down, it's going to come down crashing. My opinion, not financial advice, nothing like that. I don't really know. I just don't think it's going to be like one of those, oh, we're just going to like pull back a little bit. Like, I just doesn't feel like it to me. Feels like there's going to be some sort of news or whatever that's going to come out. And then the market's just going to be down like 4 or 5% in one day. You know, it's one of those deals. Yeah, Peter. Yeah, very good point. Thank you for bringing that up. I wanted to mention that. Take Profit Trader used to be a hard breach if you leave any positions on after market close. So now they're closing any positions at 4:55 p.m. Eastern time. And it's a soft breach. So it's not a hard breach. You're not going to lose your account. So that is another positive from Take Profit Trader. So another point there. We like that. Finally, a good change from TPT. I agree. Yep. Great change. Oh yeah, we'll have a limit down day coming. Tommy C. I kind of think so too. Yeah. It just feels like it, right? Trader's Nest. Sorry if I missed anyone in the chat. What's going on, Trader's Nest? Corey 2S. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. I got a Lucid account we can give away. 50K Lucid Flex. I think people need some accounts, right? Let's do a giveaway tonight. And then we'll give away one to a member as well. So we'll do two. Spin the bear flag. When it comes down, it's going to drop like crazy. Yeah, I mean, at this point, it just feels like it, right? I don't think we're going to have like one of those muted trader. What's going on? I read your name, muted trader, and I thought, oh, is my mic muted? That's where my brain went for a second. I'm getting my TPT accounts back next week, my next payout. Let's go, Demitch. Hoping to win this today. Blew my funded account. Vision power. Well, good luck. Hope you win too. Trying to do giveaways as much as possible. You guys keep supporting the channel, so they keep giving me accounts. Thank you so much. Yeah, has anyone else ever been live with Trade Day? I'm curious, because I'm still a little confused on the Trade Day rules as far as the taking the live payouts. Because I started with 6,100. I know I can take out 600, but can I withdraw into my buffer? I think I can. So I wouldn't mind just taking a couple $1,000, right? Taking a couple $1,000 payout. kind of work with that. Well, so I had my one piece of red meat for the week today. I had my burger. I went and had a burger at a local restaurant, or not a local restaurant, but a restaurant. Not like a fast food burger either, like a good burger. That's what I did this afternoon. Took it pretty easy. I didn't really do much trading after that last night. What's up, Design Knob in the house? Yeah, I mean, what do? We close our eyes and buy here? I mean, why not? I mean, we opened up with a little gap down. I mean, I know that there's no deal being made. There's no actual deal. I just don't know. But we'll just look for an outside bar, an inside bar to take. Got a few inside bars on the 2-minute. Now, fully transparent. I got some accounts I can work on. These all hit daily loss daily loss limit. Oh, this one didn't hit daily loss limit. All right, here's the market here, 28,683.25. Let's take a look at gold here. Take a look at gold. Nice little push up on gold. Market's just chopping around here. Steve-O, thank you so much for stopping in. Smash that like button on your way out. Have a good night, man. Peace. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's see. So 300 likes, we'll do a giveaway right around 7:30, towards the end of the stream. Make sure you smash that like button. $100+ day on day number 3, locked in Lucid Flex 25K. How hard can it be? Nice. Digital nukes. That's exactly what you that's a smart plan. You know, trying to just get that $100 bucks, $150 maybe on those 25Ks. I like it. Just base hit, base hit, base hit. You lost all your points, so you can't gamble right now. Let's see. Thought there was a way I could give away points. I just tried to add 2,000 points to everyone. Try that again. I don't know if that'll work or not. I just tried to add more. What do you do with points? Oh, it's just for fun, just gambling and stuff. Yeah, just it's just like little games and stuff. All right, we're getting that push back up. Yes, it worked. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's just like a virtual gambling. It took me forever to figure out what the heck that was. I'd watch other streams. I'm like, what the heck is that? But yeah, if you just put in like exclamation point heist and then like a number. Sometimes it triggers to do stuff. I don't know if I can actually do it or not, but. Yeah, another push up witch on the roof. Exactly. Waiting for an outside bar on the NQ. This is what I'm waiting for. I'm trying to be a little bit more patient. I'm going to take it. No discretion. I'm just going to take it. And I got some evals that I can work through. Exclamation point pine in chat. We'll give away a 50K Lucid Flex account right around 7:30 Eastern time if we can get to 300 likes. How did everyone else do? I'm kind of curious. I just want to do a poll here. You made 2K on your TBT accounts? Let's go, Brianna. That's a good day. Solid day, 100 points with one NQ. Personally did terrible. Lucid was good, Cajun. Yeah, well, I was the opposite, actually. I mean, I don't know. I can't really call my trade day a personal account, but I guess it kind of is, right? It's a live account. It's kind of like a personal account at this point. Do my trades mostly come from outside bars? Lately, yeah. 2-minute outside bars, 5-minute inside bars, and then overall just bear flags, bull flags, and then sometimes I just click the button. But yeah. Sometimes I just play the volatility at the open, too. Just try to, the New York Open. Sports Dawn in the house. Yep. If you guys got any questions, feel free to ask it in the chat. I blew up my account today. I could buy another one, but I'm going to wait. Since most of my money right now is invested in other projects. Yeah, Jesus. Good plan. 1,700 on 2 accounts. Nice. So 80% finishing green today. A little surprising. That's it. No giveaway. No one needs any accounts. You guys all finished green today. Giveaway's canceled. Watch the nose start creeping up. I didn't trade my profit limit last night, so I couldn't trade until now. Oh, that's great. Just Jeremiah. That's even better. That's even better. I mean, that as traders, that's what we want. We want that freedom to just smash that profit target and then call it. No sense of you know, some people really love it, but like for me, I don't really want to sit in front of the charts all day. I mean, I do love the markets. I do love trading, but not all day. Please define green. Yeah, Coach Fred. Totally gold. I need one. Yeah. Should have been blowing up all my accounts. I haven't got a payout in months. I'm doing bad, little Joe. Oh, man. But I get these massive moves. Sometimes I'm just tilting too much. Yeah. I hear you. I mean, I can't tell you something that you already don't know. But I do the same things. You know, I blow up account. Oh, shoot. I'm in the wrong... Shoot. Totally missed that outside bar, guys. Totally missed it. Damn it. I just happened to look over and see it, and as it was closing, it already... Eesh. Oh, all right. No FOMO. No, I'm a changed man. I'm a changed trader. No more FOMO. I'm a changed man. Even though I just missed that outside bar, I tried to get in and I didn't want to chase it. Ugh. Wow, what a nice little move off that outside bar. First 2-minute outside bar right there, paying. We getting kaboosh. 2-minute inside bar don't work. I don't trade those. Yeah, I don't trade 2-minute inside bars. I actually, maybe I can take them right off on the 2-minute chart. Personally, I don't trade those at all. I wonder if there's a way I can do that. Maybe I can do that. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Paint inside bar, apply. No. Get rid of this. See if I can refresh it. Still there. Apply save. Okay, now they're all gone. Oh no, they're back. Yeah, I don't know. I can't get rid of them. Labarto in the house. I don't know why it's not Yeah, nice little play off that. Beautiful. Bear flag to, you know, a trend line break. Maybe we go take out the lows. Wouldn't that be something? We got lots of room to the downside if it decides it wants to keep rolling over. That's for sure. Make the yellow transparent. Yeah, that might work. I know there's a way to do it. I mean, it should work. Maybe if I make a new... No. Damn it. I can't believe I missed that trade. What a beauty. I probably would have took that off right at that VWAP, but... Bardo created a brutal moose. I know, he's ready. I saw that. A-Cash in the house. New subscriber. Welcome. Thank you so much. Do you trade full-time? Yes. Second time I've traded full-time. I've been a full-time trader twice. This is the second time. I know, I missed it. I'm trying not to have that FOMO now. Like, that's something that can send you in tilty too, and make you have some FOMO. So best thing for me right now is just not change the color the same as the color as the bars. Yeah, but except that one color might be red or green, you know, well, gray or white. So oh, I see what you mean. Oh, I see what you mean. Thank you. I know what you mean. I got you. I think it's white. No, it would be gray. Oh, wait. That wouldn't work either. I don't know. I'll figure it out at some point. Even if I just have to make a new... Getting that pushed down now. 657.50. Rolling over. Rome Dog in the house. What's up, Rome Dog? Take them all off, then reinstall. Mine never updates on the fly either. Okay, yeah. I'm going to have to take them all off. I'll do that later. Pain in the butt. $321 people watching right now. Thank you guys tuning in. TJP, what's up? I'm going to take that poll off. 72% finished green today. Congratulations. Smash the like button, Bear Trader says. Wow, we're getting that pushed down. Going through that 650s. Very interesting that Nasdaq left that high. Right at 28,800 on the dot. Very interesting. Also, I have a little small open gap here from the open. Little small open gap. First time here, is that moonshine you drinking? Heck yeah. No, this is throat coat tea. Throat coat tea. Not throat goat. Throat coat. Yeah, no, it's throat coat tea. Rips. Yeah, Rips is only green on his evals. Yeah. Market owes me money and I'm here for it. Let's go. Yeah, I took it. So guys just tuning in. Yeah, I took my very first trades on my trade day live account today. Made $600. Nice little daily payout. And besides that, I just blew a bunch of evals. Last night. I blew a bunch of evals last night. I actually didn't blow any today. Throat coat tea. Yeah, that's right. I think you can go to the gear, figure chart elements, and remove what you want to remove. Configure chart elements. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. I think. I tried to apply. Oh, maybe if I save it as the default. No, that didn't work either. I still like my inside bars, but I like them on the 5-minute. We do have a nice outside bar on the 2-minute as well. How do I do the lines and drawings? Yeah, pretty simple. You just go to settings. Well, if you want to do the lines and drawings, you go over here. There's drawing tools. You can do it that way. But I set up hotkeys. So you can set up the hotkeys by doing this on trade. You go to preferences, set up hotkeys. You want to enable it, edit hotkeys. And then you can have hotkeys for everything, but I just use it for the chart. And then I go down to draw a line, and then I have mine at Shift A. So you can just reset it, and then you hit Shift and whatever key you want it to be, and it saves it. And then I got like the Fibonacci for 50% retracements, which I barely ever use, and then draw rectangles, which is the boxes. So then you just hit then you gotta go up here actually to toggle, and you see it up here in this left hand corner, the hotkeys. So you gotta have it on hotkeys. So once that keyboard is showing, then you're good. And then you just go Shift A, and then hit your mouse button, and you just do that. And you also use it as a measuring tool too, right? So you hit Shift A, and then draw down, and then it measures it too. And then if you just hover back over it, so if you go back over it, just hit Shift, and then you can see the measuring part to it. 170 ticks on that line, $850 if you're trading 1 mini, 42.5 points. And then you just hit Shift, and you can move it all around like that. Or you can do the boxes. How do I get my chart to stop auto locking? Yep, you go to right here, chart settings, continuous auto fit, I think. And you want to turn that off. I think that's it. You mean like when you move the chart around, you don't want it to lock up? Is that what you mean? Because if that's the case, that's what you do. All right, getting a little bounce here. So beautiful play off that first outside bar. I got to admit that really sucked. Yeah, no problem, Jeremiah. I Googled it and never could find a fix. I know. There actually isn't any really good lessons on how to use Tradeovate. At least there wasn't. There might be now, but some of that evergreen content. I wish TradeAvay had brackets where you could place a trade and drag up, stop, and drag them down for TP. Oh, you can, Keith Matthews. You just have to. You can't copy trade them. Is that what you mean? Yeah, I wish you could do it with a copy trader, but yeah, you can do it. Well, you just set the ATM bracket, and you just do like that. See, like the sell, and then you just drag them like this, wherever you want. You can go like that. You can drag it like that. But yeah, you can't copy trade them. Do it. You only can do it one account at a time. It does suck. I agree. For the life of me, I don't know why they didn't integrate that. Everyone wants that. Everyone that trades with brackets, they want to be able to copy trade it and do it. So, but yeah, just set up your ATM brackets, ATM settings. I have a bunch of them here. I have some that are not even mine. They ended up on my chart one day. How weird is that? I don't even know what happened. Like this Bori TRDX. Take profit 1500 or 1505. And stop loss 200. Like, I did not do that. It just ended up there. And I'm not the only one. Someone mentioned in the chat once that that's happened to them as well. We have another outside bar here in 2 minutes. I'll probably try this one too, but man, I'm having that FOMO off that one. We'll see if this one works. Set a bracket. Let's get a bracket ready here. Little outside bar here. Don't know if I like this one as much, but we do have an outside bar. Maybe we'll take it to the upside too. 71.50. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Maybe the low, maybe a couple points down to this. I don't even know. Well, it broke to the upside here. Try a long, I guess. I don't love it. It's like right up against this fair value gap in the VWAP. But you never know. I mean, this market, it just keeps wanting to go up. So I am long off this outside bar. Stops at 65.75. Like I said, I don't love it, but it is what it is. We'll try it. Yeah, stopped out instantly. I kind of had that feeling. I don't know why. Another outside bar here. Maybe try to take this short. Might try to take this short here. If we break on this next bar, we got to break below that. All right, I'm short here. See if I get snip, snap, snip, snap. I'm going to look for the low here. Low of the day. Got in at a pretty good price here, too. Stops at 673.50. Just gonna get chopped to death. Holy cow. If we put in another outside bar, that's the first time I've seen that in a hot minute. When we got outside bar versus outside bar and an outside bar, I haven't seen that. Not for a while. Didn't quite do it. Stop 673.75. Well, unlike the other night, I am waiting for my setup, so that is good. That's already a positive change. Puro mixed signals, all big time. This feels like a choppy mess. I wouldn't be throwing this on my funded accounts, that's for sure. Especially, it seems like during the Globex Open, this is what you get. You get the nice little move, and then it'll just kind of chop sideways till the Tokyo Open. Just started using TradeC. The mobile is fire. All the user ease that TradingView does not have. Oh, let's go. Glad you like it, Cali St. Louis fan. I've heard a lot of mixed opinions on TradeC, but if you like it, that's cool. Maybe the people that are using it, the TradeC, they're using it on the mobile. What's up, 44 the Punisher? I'm doing great, actually. Thank you so much for asking. Doing great. I was given a 75K TPT. Let's go. I have reached the limit to pass it. All I need is one more day. Do you know if I have to pay the activation fee to go to pro? If someone if someone like myself gifted it to you, then you shouldn't have to pay the activation fee, Silva. I'm kind of curious about that, so let me know. You're not supposed to have to pay the activation fee if it's a gift. If it's one of your own credits that's in your own account, then you have to pay the activation fee. Bouncing in between the Vinay's and the fairway, the VWAP, yeah. This is exactly what it's doing. Yeah, that was a nice little bullish candle on the 2 minute there. Got that bounce off that low, put in that double bottom. Love it. I hope you're right. I think so. They changed it. It used to be different, but I believe they changed it. This market feels like one guy trading with one other guy. Yeah, that's kind of. I know you're. Yeah, that's kind of the way this market is. I mean, it's a lot of. We're trying to just trade. Some entertainment. We try to make some money, obviously, but the bread and butter comes in New York. But we just try to like talk markets and talk about the prop firms or whatever, how your day went. I just try to make it to be about a hang. We'll do some giveaways, have some fun, but yeah, it can be real bad. Some nights are real good. Some nights the price action is just great. And if I would have just caught that stupid outside bar, I'd have been quite satisfied. I was talking about that today with Terry Trades 100, my trading buddy. We were talking about how I got my very first payout, and I was like, yeah, I just took one trade a day. It's like, that's how I got my very first payouts. I just took that one trade during New York Open. I was looking for right around 13 ticks during New York Open, and I would trade it. I would go in and stopped out there. I'm gonna actually try a long off this. I mean, I'm getting snip snap bad. I'm trying another long here. This is an eval. This eval is practically cooked anyway, so, and I got plenty because you guys know I went on tilt. But yeah, very, very choppy here. I wouldn't recommend it unless you're just trying to try for some evals. Wouldn't recommend trying to trade all this. We got to break above that VWAP if we're going to take out. We do have that small gap up there. Way up at the high. Don't know if we'll actually get there, but yeah, lots of outside bars. You start seeing this many outside bars on a 2-minute chart, you just know it's choppy. You know, usually you'll go, you know, quite some time, and then you'll put in a 2-minute outside bar, and you'll be like, okay, there's the one. And plus, we have that 5-minute outside bar to contend to, and we still broke that low. Like this one, this, you know, technically the stop out's at 693.25 on the 5-minute. So maybe I shouldn't look for a big move here. If I just get a little scalp, try to get some money back. Take it up to the 80s maybe. Test that 80s. We'll go to 79. $28,675 here. Got about 5 points out of this trade so far. Let's see if I can get like 6 or 7 points. I think it might try to reject off that 80. We'll see. I'm just going to move the stop to break even here. Pawn in the house. I'm going to trade. There's a huge gap on ES. Oh, thank you for that. Yeah, ES does have a gap up there. Maybe I actually take the risk. I'm actually going to take the risk, place it back below that 67, knowing that ES does have that gap. Maybe we run it. Market only goes up, right? I am long in my other accounts too. This is that 80 level. I'm gonna trail my stop here. Took a little profit there. We might come down and retest. Made 269 on my Lucid. Still down on this account though. Down 244. Oh, let's see. Might squeeze Coach Red. Yeah, I mean, it feels like it. Gold, Adrian, what's going on? Gold has a 15-minute inside bar. Yeah, I noticed a lot of people have been having some good success trading gold lately. God, I just feel like it might squeeze too, Coach Fred. You know, you just never know. It just feels like it. Let's take a look at this 5 here. The only thing that's got me hesitant is this candle right here. This is a pretty powerful candle. If we break this high at 693 and go for the momentum into the gap, that'd be a nice trade. Especially if ES hasn't gotten there yet. But yeah, I feel you. I mean, it's just like it seems like you just want to be on that bull side, the buy side. There it goes. Trying to get above that 80s now. I'm not going to chase. This might be another outside bar here. In that case, I'll probably hop back in on that long. How much I got left in drawdown on this? 490 on that one. Oh, I got full drawdown on this one. Let's go. Just got in from running, a little spark to get some money for tomorrow's yard sales. Oh, let's go. Tim Korth in the house. What's up? Which giveaway is this for? A Lucid 50K. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Pegasus, what's up? Keith Matthews. Short the world, SK. Yeah. Short the world. Arton, did you catch that? Do some YOLO trading. I did too much of that yesterday. How many people have entered the giveaway? Oh, I don't know. Probably quite a bit. We might do a shotgun come 7:30. You know how the bots get. You know how the bots get. Call the cousins. Stephanie in the house. How am I doing with this crazy market? I made money on my live account today, but everything else was kind of crap. I have been doing pretty good on this Lucid account right here. This one's been doing all right. So I have this Lucid funded. It's up to right around $1,200. So that one's been doing pretty well, but everything else, I'm kind of just trying to rebuild. I got 3 take profit trader accounts at 50% right now. I'm just trying to rebuild. Adam K, wait for you. Oh, we're not going to do it till 7:30 Eastern time. Yeah, we usually try to do them at the end, towards the end of the stream. So that's what I want to try to do. Trading first. There's a saying when you're a influencer, you know, a simfluencer, because you know we always have the camera out and trying to video things and create content. So like when you sit down to eat, right? You get the camera eats first. That's what they always say. The camera eats first. So you gotta take your food pictures and your drink pictures and stuff, and then you can drink. 7:30 main time. That's right. Be dark by then. God, it gets dark so early. Adrian Chong, yeah. Yeah, the camera eats first. All right. No outside bar. That was close to being an outside bar right there. Double top. Equal highs, actually. It's not double top. Equal highs on the 2-minute chart. I might try this bounce here. Well, I think play, but I might try the bounce. Real tight stop here. $80. See if we bounce off this VWAP. We do have equal highs up here at 81. What is that? 81.50 on a 2-minute chart. Doesn't mean they have to be run, but maybe I'm just gonna give it a shot. Not much drawdown left on this account. So I've been buying the $1,500 rapid plans from MyFunded, not the rapids, but the builder plans from MyFunded Futures. The ones with the $1,500 drawdown. I did last night just because I was kind of tilty, and I figured if I hit daily loss limit anyway, then so be it. So I ended up you save yourself like $20 or whatever every time you buy one. Then I got put into eval jail, so I couldn't buy any more evals because I had too many. I spent my payout last night. That's basically what I did. All right, market's kind of slowing down here a bit. Just trying to get a little bounce off the Finet fair value gap. Come on, bounce it. There we go. See if we nice top of the hour too, guys. Top of the hour. See if we break that high. I'm gonna get aggressive at that equal highs if we break the high of this outside bar here. I'm gonna add into that trade at 77.75. How many evals do you have to go to eval jail? What do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9. I'm in eval jail. All right, stopped out on that. Tried it. We did break that outside to the downside. I don't really trust this one. I don't know why. Maybe just because the top of the hour, but A lot of outside bars. I don't like this. This is just too many. This is like, because here's the thing. Like, I try to take an outside bar. I look for a good solid trade-off one. Like, you know, like we got off this one. You know, we lost on this one, and then we got a nice solid trade off that one. I don't like taking every single one. Like, that's not like my strategy. It's just, that's just not the way it works. I try to take base hits, get what I need on the accounts, look for $200-300, call it $400, $500, and that's it. So trying to take every single one like a robot is kind of nuts. I can't believe we've have had this many. So very choppy session, right? In my opinion. And then this looks like this could actually put in another outside bar. We swept the low. It's kind of gross. I'm gonna watch this 5 minute actually. I'm gonna watch this 5. So maybe just I'm gonna look at the 5 and try some trades off the 5 minute. So I'm not trading so much. Good possible outside bar here for a long. Yep, we got one. We're going to take out those equal highs, aren't we? It's going to go without me. Son of a... I'm going to try again. Try again on this account too. Just look for a little scalp. A few points. Try to get in on my funded here. Just get that few points on that. Little, I think, play here. Just count on my in. I got too many. Well, I had another account here. What happened to it? Oh, there we go. Too many accounts. Have you registered to Tradeify Grand Cup? No. No, I haven't. Not yet. I'm waiting for them to ask me to be an ambassador. What's going on with that? They probably won't. I'm on My Funded Futures TV now. Let's run a moose race. No, not till 7:30. Not until another 30 minutes, 25 minutes. We'll do it. Plus, we gotta get 300 likes as well. And then we'll do another moose race. So we'll do one for you grays, and then we'll do one for the members too. So we'll do 2 races. Thank you, members. You entered the cup today. Can't wait for that. Nice. Yeah, I mean, it's free. Might as well, guys. Tradeify. How was your day, Pine? Oh, sorry, Stephanie. Sorry I missed your. I just saw your comment there. Mine was not so good. Lost my only account. Hope I can win an account with tonight. Oh yeah, well, good luck. I mean, my day was okay. The New York session, I should say, was good. My trading last night in the Globex session to Asia and last New York session, like, just wasn't great. It just wasn't a good day. It was horrible. I was just tilted and I was just clicking buttons, and yeah, I blew all my accounts. Essentially. Except this one. The live account. I didn't blow that one. Well, but all the other props, cooked them. So on that rebuild. All right, can we take out those equal highs, please? At 81.75. Doesn't want to. It just slams it right back down. Come on. The market just wanted to go up all day. Yeah, very easy days. I mean, to blow accounts. I mean, it's gonna happen. I mean, you get those trend days. They can be very, very bad depending on your type of strategies or mindset. So, thankfully, I didn't trade during New York much, except for My Funded Futures TV. I caught a nice 60-point winner today on My Funded Futures stream. So if you guys are not tuning into me in the morning, what are you doing? Hanging out with other streamers? You don't want to be doing that. Yeah, I caught a beautiful short right here. Took this short right here at 10:12 Eastern Time, 9:12 Central. Took that short. Boom. Got the kaboosh. Not 60 points. I probably got about 50 out of it. Not 60, but probably about 50 points. Two-minute outside bar. Very first one of the New York session. Maybe something I should look into. The very first outside bar. Might be something to it. Just like my very first inside bar on the 5-minute chart. All right, take it out. Smash. Sorry, just ran those equal highs there. Finally, after messing around. Up solid on my funded. Nice little start after hitting daily loss limit. 538 on the funded Lucid. Taking the same trades. Just, I don't know. Got a little lucky on one of them, I think. And no trades on this Lucid funded. So the goal, because the consistency rule is, I try to make $600 on those accounts. So if I make $600, then I call it. It's kind of my rule. A nice little spike up there on those equal highs. Oh, let's go use this. Thank you so much. 300 likes. Appreciate the likes, guys. We'll do that, and we'll do that soon, about 20 minutes. There it goes. ES gonna run that gap now. Yeah, ES taking off too. Look at this. Stonks only go up. We do have some zero prints sitting up there too. Yeah, right up and through here, the 97s. There's some zero prints up there. Maybe we squeeze from here. There is a small gap on NQ too, right up above there. 702 to 703. Feel like there's a little unfinished business, especially with ES. I don't know what YM. YM. Let's take a look at YM real quick. Yeah, no, nothing on the YM. Who knows? We could get a little Truth Social post and send this rate and then push right up, fill the gap, and then come dropping right back down. Been long since 655, 1 mini TP 705.50. Oh, let's go gaming with Dell. Yash trades in the house. Almost got to hold this trade. Yeah. I probably should have, but I think I'm a little gun shy. You know, I'm kind of like see profits, take profits just because of the tilt session. So it'll take me a little bit to start getting the confidence back. You know, I just got to take my little base hit trades probably and move on. We do have some zero prints up here, 97.50. Market down 25 points. The market's red. Oh, man. Oh, no. The market's red. For a minute. Was long heavy at 75. Nice. 500 away from passing a brand new eval. Apex. Let's go. Redeem Faith moving sideways. Yeah, compared to New York, right? It's hard not to scalp this unpredictable market. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm trying to do. Just kind of scalp. Scalp, scalp. All right, getting a little pullback here. Take a long off that 80. See if we take a long off the 80. We'll front run it, 81. Off this Finet fair value gap. Oh, just missed me. How long do Apex payouts take nowadays? I've heard like a few hours. Like it's like same day almost. No, Wesley, not for another 15 minutes. We are trading. If it's the older accounts, a little bit longer. Time faded. To see legacies, they take a little bit more time. All right, tagged in here at the 81. See if we get a little bounce action off that. Oof, not much bounce there. Check the Discord later. I will do. Oh, thanks, Wes. Oh, I see what you're trying to do. Thanks, buddy. Yeah. You're like, oh, I got to go to work. I hear you. Thanks, man. What firm has the fastest payout? My Funded Futures, Lucid. That's it. The fastest payout, My Funded Futures, are Lucid. It's seconds. I've done it on stream a couple times. Like, it's sub-seconds. And it's literally goes, if you have ACH, it goes in your bank. They literally forward it right to your bank account like within a minute or two. It's nuts. But yeah, literally seconds. All right, seeing if we can hold this 80 here. I don't like it, but come on. I'm trying to take longs market. Please go higher. I'm finally on board with the bulls. Let's go. We have ES up there. Got a big gap up there to be filled. Just monster gap up here. Nasdaq with a little baby gap. But we still got a big gap down below, right, with Nasdaq, but it's just way down there. There we go. Little bull flag break. This is looking good. All right, let's squeeze it now. Let's get up above that 90s. Squeeze it. I'm gonna go for those zero prints up here. We got some zero prints at 97.50. Nice trade here. So basically took the bounce off the Finet fair value gap at an 80 level. So shot up about 10 points here. Looking for a little more on this eval, 97.50. I got these zero prints right here. This cluster between 97.25 and 97.75. And then we get some more 700s, but then we also have the gap above too. So Leaving the stop where it is at the moment. Risking 10 points. Already got a 1-to-1, but I don't know. I got a target to go for, which is, I like that. I like when I have a target to go for. Usually I don't, but I'm getting better at that. Like looking for certain things like those equal highs or gaps or zero prints. I always know where I'm going to place my stop usually when I'm in a trade. It's just the targets, it can be a little discretionary for me, so. Love and take profit even more? Yeah, they're great. Waiting for an update so I can withdraw my payout tonight. Let's go. Congratulations on the payout. All right, can we break out of this 90 level here? All right, 28,690 here. Being patient here. Take a peek at the 5 here. Nice bounce. What a beautiful bounce there. He's breaking above that 712s. If it breaks above that, way up there, I just want 97. But yeah, if it breaks above there, biblical. Another squeeze coming for tonight. Does TPT have live? Yeah, they do, Magic Trader, and it's great. It's one of the best live prop firms. Like if you go live with Tape Trader, it's one of the better ones because they put you in the live with 5 accounts. So if you have all 5 accounts before they move you to live, then you go to live with 5 accounts. And it becomes a 90-10 split with end of day drawdown. So yeah. Coming back down, coming back down. All right, little inside bar break on the 2-minute, coming back down and test that 80 level. Wow. Stops at 271, risking 10 points. Pretty bearish candle right there on a 2-minute. 5 minute. Not looking that great either. Trading big boy cons tonight. Yeah, just on these evals. I mean, I got a bunch of them that are practically cooked. So if I can get a nice little, if I can get up on them. Trying to bounce off that VWAP. Well, it looks like we're going to head down. So far. That was a pretty nice trade, but I was looking for a little more. Might not get it before the Tokyo, and at this point, starting to break the 2-minute structure here. You look at the 5, yeah, starting to break the 5-minute structure too to the downside. I actually might hop out of this. They don't step in right now, the bulls, and because you see this the Ferrari trend line. Held a little bit too long on that one. Held a little bit too long. We'll see though. Miralax, Lex, Klex, what's up? Thank you for becoming a member. Just getting ready for the Moose race, members only race. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate that. I gotta get out of this. Just gonna close. All right. Let's get ready to do a moose race here. Wow, we got a lot of entries here. We're going to do a shotgun, though. Shotgun, exclamation point pine in the chat. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you haven't already. I mean, do it again. We're going to do a shotgun. We had 460 people in the giveaway. I'll give you guys 2 more minutes. Got a 50K Lucid Flex account that we can give away tonight. Feel like this market is feeling a little heavy. I wonder if we end up taking out that 650 now. Two-minute outside bar here. Short below 70s here. Down about 80 bucks. Ooh, wow. Wow, I got a lot of slippage. Wow, I got tons of slippage on that. Holy. I got 5 points of slippage. Oh. Unbelievable. Did you guys see that? Intmon Daily, thank you so much for becoming a member. Appreciate that. All right, guys, closing the entries. Thank you. As soon as we got to the amount of viewers that we actually have watching, I stopped it. All right, guys, let's do a moose race. Thank you guys for using code PINE. I really appreciate the support. This is the moose race. Yeah, I got a massive amount of slippage on that. All right, guys. Shuffling characters, shuffling characters. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. $350 of you in there. My volume delta printed 1,000 level sells. Tells me a big bear entered the market. That's what it was. Someone's trading outside bars, Brian. Someone with big pockets is selling out, doing the outside bars. Keith Matthew. Oh, I forgot to put my Moose Race hat on. New listeners are probably like, what? Come on, come on, come on. Yas Layer on the inside lane here. Who else we got? We got Simple Trading up in the middle. Who's it going to be? 18 seconds left. Hit the boost, hit the boost, hit the boost. Come on. Who's it going to be? 7 seconds. Oh, let's go. Dividend for keeps. Congratulations, an OG. Tony Gold in second. Last place, Salik Cypher in last place. Sorry. Congratulations, dividends for keeps. Wow. Let's go. Oh, gee. Where's your moose? Who knows? 350 in there. Congratulations. Wow. Can't believe that I got that much slippage off that trade. I had a sell stop right here at 70, and it slipped so bad. It literally, once it filled me, it was the low of that candle. Unreal. Yeezus, you finished 306th place. You were so close. I was looking for you. 306th place. Because you're a member, I was looking for you. All right. Let's do a members only. Thank you, guys. Congratulations. Dividends for keeps. Congrats. And you're a member, so you might even win another race. What are we gonna do here? Members only. Cancel. Start. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you're a member. You have a little better chance of winning. Congratulations. A little luck there by the member. Dividends for keeps. We do giveaways multiple times a week, guys, so you guys always have your chance. Also, if you follow me on X, you have a chance to win a Take Profit Trader account. If you want to give me a follow on X, Pine Tree Trader. I'm going to be drawing that on Friday to a random. So, constantly giving away accounts. Gave away over $6,000 worth of accounts last month. Thank you guys for using code PINE. Without you guys doing that, I don't get accounts. And that's just the truth. So, every free account I get, I give back to you guys. All right. We're going to do... What are we going to do this members only race? I like to do something different sometimes. I think we're going to do... Let's do this. I haven't done this one yet. Okay, you guys all in? Get all the members in? Looks like it. 27. I'll give you guys, I'll give you just a few more seconds here. Exclamation point pine. I want to make sure the members are in. Looks like it. All right, closing entries here. Need a different hat for the non-moose races? I know. All right, anyone can chat now. Mo, you missed it. I'll get you in. Big Mike. Big Mike, are you in there? We got, let's see. I'll put Mo in there. Mo, bro. I don't think you're in there. And then Big Mike. Probably on the delay. Big Mike. Brokies versus members. I mean, it's only like what is it, guys? Like $5? Yeah, $5 for membership. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I appreciate it. It's just a little, just coffee money. It's lunch money, I guess. Thank you so much. All right, here we go, guys. Wait a minute. Whoa, Big Mike with a 50. Let's go. Thank you so much. A lot of people left it as soon as the bots. Yeah, you just it happens. Like if I don't do giveaways, yeah, a lot of people don't even tune in. Genie, thank you for becoming a member. Let's go, Big Mike. Very generous. You didn't have to do that. Thank you so much. Here we go. Best stream on YouTube. Thanks so much. Give you goblins. Look at these. Who's gonna win? Is it gonna be dividends for keeps again? He's just waiting back there. He's sitting back there. Is he gonna be a 2-time winner? We know it's rigged if he wins again. Ooh, he's making his move too. Look at him make his move. He's creeping up. He's creeping up here. 20 seconds. Oh, he's running out of steam. He didn't take his creatine powder. Who's it gonna be here? Dig in, dig in, dig in, dig in. Bam trades. All right. A new I think you're a new winner. I like that. Your paddle broke. Well, it worked. Congratulations. Bam trades. How do you go faster? It's just for fun. It's all random. It's completely, it's a random numbers generator. Bam trades. Dividends for keeps and bam trades. Yeah, let's go. I like that. If you guys are on the Discord, feel free to join the Discord. Buy the dip trader. I appreciate you, man. Guys, every single morning, My Funded Futures TV 10 a.m. I am on there. My Funny Futures TV. If you guys want to see me trade in the mornings, we'll talk shop, talk about what the market's doing, and I sling contracts on that show. I'm not scared. I'm not scared like all those other hosts on those other prop TV shows. I'm just kidding. If you guys want to join the giveaway, thank you so much, Big Mike, for the $50 donation. That's gonna be some beer money for this weekend. Thank you so much. Discord's in the chat if you guys want to join the first stream as a member. Oh, let's go. Discord's in the chat if you guys want to join the Discord. Dividends for keeps. Did you just join the Discord, or you just said what's up? Bam, you just said what's up? All right, cool. Sweet. I can just message you guys. I just put the Discord in the chat. It's right there, Discord. You can join up if you want. All right, very, very choppy session here. Very choppy session. All right, cool. Yeah, I'll DM both of you. Bam and dividends for keeps. I'll DM both of you. Ooh, getting that flush now. We like it. We like it. Top of the hour here in just a few minutes. That really kind of ticked me off. That was just a horrible fill. It wouldn't have worked anyway. So let's just look at it like that. It wouldn't have worked. We would have got stopped out. I wouldn't have lost as much, but we would have got stopped out. I probably would have lost more than half that. Friends with a prop stream? Yeah. Where you go to join the Discord? Right here. Another link in the chat. Let me get you guys. Dividends for keeps. I just sent you a DM. Bam trades. I just sent you a DM. And Discord is asking me if I'm a human or not. Well. Don't know why. Dividends for keeps. Use that code for a 50K Lucid Flex. Is there an AM stream, Mirror? Sometimes I pop on in the mornings, but I am on My Funny Futures TV every single morning at 10 a.m. Yeah, I'm not human. I'm a moose. Maybe that's why. I gotta take off the moose hat. Maybe that's what's going on. Hey, Sherry. Good to see you. What's up, Sherry? You slinging size? I'll sling. I trade. I just trade on that show. I'm not really. I don't really care. Sometimes I hop in minis. Sometimes I hop in micros. Kind of depends on what the market's doing or how I'm feeling. Trump and Iran conflict will end swiftly. Yeah. Boy headlines. He's trying to pump that market up. Just waiting for a pullback. I've been taking the outside bars and inside bars. I've taken a few trades. I'm actually up on the fundeds, and I'm not doing too well on these evals, but funded, I'm doing okay. Do me a favor, smash that like button, even though we already did that giveaway. But thank you guys. Smash that like button. Appreciate you. Congratulations to the winners. Bam. Bam trades. Use that code for a 50K Lucid Flex. I just DM'd you. Yeah, good return on investment. Yeah, exactly. I know, it's crazy, right? 5-minute outside bar. Yeah, it is. It's a big 5-minute outside bar. Do we break it on this candle? So when I see these outside bars, I like to take the breaks of the first break of it. You see this one absolutely got demolished today. That was like the catalyst to send this market to the moon. Wow. That little fake out there, that was nasty. Problem with these 5-minute outside bars, the stops can be pretty wide. Thank you guys for joining the Discord. Adam K, nice picture there. It's always funny. It's like you never know what people are gonna look like, you know. Let's pull up the Discord here. It's always curious because you guys have these little avatars. So you never know what someone's going to look like. So I got a little photo thing. Even though we got some other things on here. But we've got Chris Knopf up in here. We just got Adam K. Posted his picture on here. We got Bear Trader posting the moose. We got Eric Lake right here. We got Stevie J. Some of these people I haven't seen in a minute. Sire, I still see him on Twitter all the time. Sire. We got Chris Knopf here. He likes to meet people, YouTubers. Mixon. We got Boss. Yoda. Biblical Trader right here, surfing. Or wave, looks like wakeboarding. Johnny FX. We got, it's Mo, bro. Scalp Ripper. Bog FX. We got Taff. Red Candles in the house. Trader Higgs. Delta One. We got Michael Bene. Coop. We got me and Stock Tiger. You guys didn't know what I was hanging with Stock Tiger. Look. We're chilling. We're buds. JD 54. Dymo, we got Terry Trades. Dan in the house. A bunch of pictures of Dan. Marcos. More Dan. More Eric and his I think it's his wife. Delta One. Stone. We haven't seen Dell in a hot minute. Big Cat. Got Anders. I wonder if some of these people are still around. Joaquin was the food picks. Oh, we got Nate. We got Chef Chris. Mainer right here. Chef Chris, fellow Mainer. Penguin. And then an old picture of myself. So thanks for joining the Discord. Thanks for all the community members. Everyone in the chat. Everyone that hangs out every single day. Where's Joom? No Joom. Red Spy. Thank you so much for becoming a member. I gotta get some more giveaway accounts. We don't have, but coming soon this month, we'll do some more. I gotta get back on the horn and start asking for more giveaway accounts. So, but thank you for the support. I can request more accounts in 8 days, it says from Lucid. So appreciate you guys using code PINE for Lucid. And thank you, Lucid, for the free accounts. Thank you so much. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call it there. Thank you so much for being here. Nice little stream. I thought it was pretty decent trading. I took setups. I didn't really go try to take anything that I didn't like. I'm actually up on some funded accounts. I'm down a little bit on some evals, up on some evals. It's just kind of all over the place, but thank you so much, Big Mike, for the tip. Let's give it up for Big Mike for the nice 50 bucks. Boom. That is lunch money. Lunch money at a decent place, too. Thank you so much for that. And, yeah, nice little stream, little redemption from last night, right? I feel good about tonight. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at My Funded Futures TV at 10 a.m. And like I said, thank you for using code PINE with My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Trade Day, PINE with a capital P for Trade Day. I had a nice little winning day with my live account with Trade Day. So I'm going to request a payout with them. And then, but yeah, with everyone else too. So full port NQ with the membership. Let's go. Thanks, guys. Wow, thanks. Appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good luck tonight. Don't do anything dumb. And I'm going to try to have a nice green day tomorrow. So, or tonight and tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace.
Yeah. Pine Tree Trader in the building.
Later, guys.
Talking price action, we talking
Thank you so much, Full Port.
From the
Peace.
charts
Big Mike.
to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared, then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Tradeify. The profits exist, hosted on the TV. Funded Futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Tradeify flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, Funded Futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go.